Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert an image to text. So that's exactly what I'm going to get into right now. So this right here is the image that I want to convert into text. So basically this image is text on a white background and I'm going to convert this into text. So for that, I'm going to open a document on Google Docs. That's what I recommend doing as well, but you can also do this on Word directly if you want to. And you want to click on insert and then image and then upload from computer or wherever you have the picture. So I'm going to open this in Google Docs right now. There you go. So this is the image and all you need to do now is save this. Okay, so click on file, click on download and then download it as a PDF. And let's see if that works. There you go. So right now I have my document saved as a PDF. Now next up, you want to open Word. So open Word, which is exactly what I'll do right now. And we're going to use Word to get this set up. Next up, you want to click on Browse. And then you want to open the file, the PDF file that you just downloaded, which is this one right here. Click on Open and you're going to get to see this message, which will look like this. Then all you need to do is click on OK. And that basically means that they're going to convert it to text, which I'll prove to you guys right now. And here it is. So as you can see right there, this is now text. And I can now copy this if I want to, or I'm not sure what you want to use it for. But that's pretty much how you can convert an image to text. So if you appreciate this quick tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.